Everyone wants discipline, but almost no one has it. Why? Because self discipline isn't just about willpower, it's a system. But today we are fixing that because if you don't control your habits will control you. So let's crack the code on discipline step by step. The myth of willpower. Ever try to force yourself to do something but fail? That's because you are using the wrong approach. Most people think discipline is just about trying harder, but willpower is like a battery, it runs out fast. A famous study from Stanford University found that people who rely only on willpower burn out quickly. That's why motivation dies, because discipline is not about willpower, it's about systems. The people who seem naturally disciplined aren't special, they just set up their environment for success. Now let's break down how you can do the same. The secret of automation. Discipline isn't about forcing yourself to act, it's about eliminating the choice to fail. Every habit follows a loop: trigger, action, reward. If your trigger is your phone next to your bed, you scroll for hours. If your trigger is playing gym close by the door, you automatically work out. Most people fail at discipline because they try to push through bad triggers. Instead, you have to change the trigger itself. That's why the world's most disciplined people set up automation. And here's how you can do it too. The three-step discipline formula. To make discipline effortless, follow this three-step system. Step 1. Control your environment. Put your phone in another room at night. Delete apps that waste time. Surround yourself with people who push you forward. Step 2. Attach habits to an existing routine. Want to journal? Do it right after brushing your teeth. Want to exercise? Do it right after waking up. The brain loves patterns, so attach new habits to something automatic. Step 3. Reward yourself the right way. Gamify your habits. Use a reward system that actually makes progress fun, because without rewards, habits won't stick. How to stay disciplined forever. Discipline isn't about grinding harder, it's about working smarter. And if you master this system, you will never struggle with discipline again. Now the choice is yours. Are you going to stay stuck or finally take control?